Good morning. It's another beautiful day here in Atlanta, Conyers. Chances of rain, so I understand, is 70%, but I've also been informed that even though it says 70% or 80% rain, the area I'm at may not get rain. So that's good intel. That's good information to know. The reason why I'm saying that is because I was looking forward to going out and taking pictures in the rain with all the majestic, windy roads. But that may not happen. Still, I want to go outside and take photos in those beautiful, beautiful tall trees, which do emphasize the true depth of field. If you want to really get those photos with huge depths of field, this area is the one, because you got tall trees, bushes behind the trees, windy roads. It's amazing. Anyway, without further ado, we're about to head on out and go sightseeing. Yesterday, I did talk about the set locations I went to for the movie Prisoners in particular. It was amazing. Found 2 houses where Keller and anyway, I don't want to talk about that. If you want to see that video, click this link right here. The strip is going to come up right here. Or is it here? Wherever. Enjoy that video. For now, we're about to head on out, and we're going to show you more about Atlanta, Georgia, Conyers later. So many different parts of Atlanta, some good and some pretty bad. The film location I'm going to today, let's say it's not the best looking side of town, which means I gotta watch my back, go in and out without upsetting any locals, if you know what I mean. Now let's go. It took me about 30 minutes to find this location. It's pretty much a straight shot. You really can't miss it.
Show me what? Oh my God, what did you do?
I gotta love Terrence Howard. Oh my gosh. What did you do? That's pretty cool. Oh, by the way, yeah, I'm not getting out of the car in this neighborhood, especially with a camera. Nah, no thank you. Which leads me to wonder, how did they shoot this video here, really? Probably had a whole military here out as security, because it's not a good place. Trust me, I'm not really filming what's behind me, but it's not looking all right. So that's why I'm not getting out of the car, and I'm not doing that today. I already have folks wondering who I am and what I'm doing in their streets. For me, I just had to see this for myself, experience this for myself, and shoot this for myself, and live another day to tell the story. Well, all good things come to an end. Time to pack up and vamonos like dominoes. Peace.